To be able to grow your own food is one of the most rewarding things you can do. When you sow a seed and then you can harvest that plant, use it for your cooking, it gives such a sense of achievement. It is good to have your own organic food at your home or in your kitchen garden. So today I'm gonna grow a varieties of vegetable in a small space also. So let's start the video. Here I have bottle gourd, bitter gourd, sponge gourd, same furley, cucumber, ladyfinger. So when we start the seed, it depends on the kind of seeds. Seeds are really important to use a good quality seed. When I say good quality seed, I mean good germination rate, because if most of the seeds do not germinate, it will really test your patience and it's really disappointing. I have already soaked these seeds overnight because most of the seeds outer covering is too hardy. Then you have to soak it in a water, otherwise it won't germinate. Here I am using this disposal glasses as a seedling tray, and I made this holes in it for drainage, and as a base I am using this plate. You can use anything which you want. I am using here garden soil and compost in an equal proportion. Later we can prepare a different kind of potting mix, but for preparing the seedlings, this rich soil is good. The compost can provide proper nutrition to the seeds. Lots of time people ask that what is the need of starting the seeds in a seedling tray? Well, first, there is some scientific evidence which says that when a plant is small, it is easy for it to establish itself in a smaller place compared to the bigger pot. And a more logical explanation is that if there are two small seeds and if you put them in a big pot, then as you add water, it just keep going inside and inside, and also because there will lots of moisture in it, it might decompose, and these are much more convenient. I'm filling all these disposals with soil first, and then we can put that seeds in it. I am spraying some water to sow seed easily. I have taken 2 seeds of per vegetable. I have taken 2 seeds. Put the seeds in 1 inch deeper to germinate properly. or so, they will sprout and the true leaves came out. Here's the first day. Keep the soil moist every time. The first set of leaves that actually come out are never the true leaves. They are cotyledons. So, one or two leaves, when you see that three or more leaves, true leaves came, you can transfer the plant to a bigger pot. I use this grocery bag which is easily available from grocery stores. The requirement for all these plants are similar to any regular vegetable, which is good sun, fertilizer every 15 days and water when soil dries up. Especially bottle gourd grows quickly, so you have to set up something to help it climb for small space. I feel these are the best plants because it just need vertical space. You can get really creative this for helping them to climb in a different ways, and it will start flowering in 30 to 40 days of soil. And if you like such simple video, do let me know in the comment section below so that I make more such videos, and please consider subscribing to the channel to grow our channel more. Thanks for watching.